May 5th, 2018, and we're done planting this year's vegetables in the garden. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough. Everyone can see what we did today, okay? Over here is the wheatgrass, so we'll give you a progress report on that. I mean, if you can just get over here and just see a little bit of where it's at, gives you a quick idea. We're probably into the third day on that, okay? After soaking it and sprouting them. Okay, this is going to be the microgreens that have not been put in yet, but over here is the parsley, Italian, and curly. This whole row, okay, is a mixture of Italian and parsley. Over here in the third row, okay, is a mixture of celery, and the rest is all curly parsley. Okay. All done today, all planted, and we've seen the progression of what went into the soil up to this point in some of the previous videos I shot. Over here is collard greens, okay? A nice row of collard greens over here. And over here is broccoli. So we have a nice healthy, robust row of broccoli. Okay. And over here, this next row, is 3 rows of celery. Real small, but it's going to grow real big when it comes up. Okay. And we did a combination in the next row over here of cucumbers, beets, purple beets, and cabbage. Okay. This is a complete row of dinosaur kale. Complete row. Okay, looking good. Another complete row of cucumbers. Italian green basil. And I'm trying to remember what that is. Broccoli. Okay. This is a complete row of purple and green Swiss chard. Okay, and the last row for the moment here are tomatoes, 1 row of tomatoes, carrots, and Italian basil. So that's where we're at. And if we look over here, this will be an assortment of the other things that we're going to get into the ground. Right now we have the wild dandelion growing, which is doing beautifully. So this will be coming in a week or two. So stay tuned. We'll see you next time.